Experiment hypothesis. Living organisms evolve from other living organisms, not from the non-living organism. It is demonstrated by covering the meat in the jar, which prevented maggots from emerging, unless flies were already present. Banana attracts insects and meats attract flies. Observation. On the first day, jar A began to attract flies, while jar B and C, who have sealed, is just normal. The second day, jar A attracted more flies and it all slowly began to spoil. While jar B, there are few flies who try to enter, and jar C is not. On the third day, I observed that jar A, there are maggots slowly appeared, while jar B has an egg on the top of its sealed cloth, and the jar C has no maggots, but it is going to spoil, slowly spoiling. Experiment. By the short period of time, living organisms can evolve and produce a lot of living organisms, but it depends on what environment they are living. Jar A attracts more flies, produces a lot of maggots. Jar B attracts flies less, but has an egg on its sealed cloth, while jar C still no sign of maggots. Conclusion. Therefore, the open jar contained maggots, while the jar B contained the fly eggs on the covered cloth, while jar C don't have maggot. Explanation. Why Redi used 3 jars in his experiment? Redi used 3 jars in his experiments so that he can measure and differentiate how fast the evolution can occur, how fast the flies can multiply in an open jar, or can the flies multiply even they are not directly attached to the meat. Thank you.